Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Warren and I work at the North Carolina Aquarium at Pine Knoll Shores as a bird trainer and an educator. And I would like to welcome you to another Sunday Funday. Now, for the most part, when I'm working at the aquarium, I have on my blue collared shirt and my khaki pants. But in honor of this Sunday's experiment, I thought it would be fun to put on my fairy wings and don my fairy outfit. Because you know what fairies love? We love rainbows and plants. And for this week's Sunday Funday, we'll be conducting the Walking Rainbow Water Experiment. So you may be wondering, what does food coloring and glasses and paper towels have to do with plants and rainbows? Well, the same process that gets water from the roots of plants and trees will actually power this experiment today. So let's see what happens. So as you guys can see, after 24 hours, we have a rainbow of colors here. And the two glasses that didn't have water in them now also don't just have water, but they also have food dye in them as well. And they've made orange and green. So what happened here today was a process called capillary action. This is the same process that trees and plants pull and move water up from their roots. The connecting paper towels that we put in between the glasses are actually made of cellulose fibers, which come from the bark, wood, leaves of plants or other plant-based materials. When water clings to different substances, in this case our paper towels, it's a process called adhesion. Now, when water molecules cling to each other, this is a process called cohesion. Capillary action occurs when adhesion is stronger than cohesion. And that's exactly what we created in our experiment today. Now, when adhesion is no longer stronger than cohesion, gravity will actually take over and release the accumulated water into our empty jars. And that's what happened here, and that's what created our rainbow today. Now, the next time it rains, you'll know exactly what is going on inside the plants and trees in your backyard. So we want to thank you guys again for joining us today for another Sunday Funday, and we hope you had a very magical experience creating your own walking water rainbow. And remember, the plants and trees in your backyard, which we rely on for our food, the water we drink, and the air we breathe, do need our love and support. So check out the Global Deal for Nature to see how you can help out and help protect those trees and plants in your backyard. So thanks again for joining us, and we hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. Bye guys!